is my Lodge cast iron 17-inch pan. Rumors has it that they actually have a 20-inch pan, but they discontinued it because it didn't fit in most people's ovens. This one barely fits in my oven, and I have just a standard oven. So we're going to be putting the loaf of bread into this, and you'll see the special surprise today that this is going to be. So while this is letting the yeast proof a little bit, letting it activate, we'll give another mix up real quick. We'll set that aside. We are going to be making my bread recipe, but with a twist. It's going to be a garlic, rosemary, cheddar bread, and then I'll show you the extra twist as well down the road, or the special part of the bread today. So I like to use fresh garlic, which we're going to chop up here shortly, but then I also like to use fine grained garlic and ground up rosemary. That way you're not getting those sticks and twigs in your mouth. So it seemed the family liked the bread that I made. I tried cutting it like a broken heart, and then I just cut it all up into some pieces. So I do appreciate you joining me today in making some rosemary garlic cheddar bread in the shape of a heart. I'll be posting this to Lodge's website. Hopefully I win their competition. But thank you very much. Please remember to like the video, subscribe, click that bell so you get the notifications when I post a video, and leave me a comment below. In the comments, share me your favorite bread recipe. Stay motivated.